Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Occult Cat TV. I'm your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Atanu or Cool Cat, whatever you desire, whatever appeals to you. So, today I wanted to talk about and go over vibration. In a sense, through vibration, through understanding, knowing, and mastering vibration, we can know anything. We can do anything. We can achieve anything. As it was stated in the Kybalion, the law of vibration is the law of the masters. To know vibration is to know the will of the masters. By knowing vibration, we know the all. By knowing vibration, we become the all through knowing. It's through the attainment of our vibration that we become our greatest version, that we become our daemon, that we can emanate. Through emanating our daemon, we become our greatest version. We must first feel the vibration of what we desire. Through feeling the vibration, this is the conduit. This is the This is when we're entering in the stream of actualized potential. Because by embracing the vibration of what we desire, not trying to seek endlessly, right? Like money. Everyone wants money and they constantly will do rituals for them, right? I need wealth brought into my life now. But they don't realize that when you're speaking to the universe, you're kind of double speak. You're using double speak. The universe speaks through vibrations, will, intention. It's the same thing with desiring to astral project, with desiring to pathwork a magical system or know something. Your vibration is what will determine the outcome of what you desire. How strong is your vibration? How strong is your will? How strong is your willpower? Right? The more that you strengthen your will, through mental exercises, imagery, physical exercise, working out, running, um, imagination, meditation, right? The more that we strengthen our will, this helps us in strengthening our vibration. By raising our vibration as well, what we do is we start to magnetize and attract things to us. And at the same time, we gain energy, we gain electricity, we become more static or electric. We have more of a current running through us because we're raising our vibration. We're no longer the physical, the 3D, the mundane. Um, but instead we're choosing to dive into the energetic structure, energetic system, and the matrix in which we have within. And from diving into that structure, understanding the meridians, understanding psychic abilities, chi, right? We're able to raise our vibration, giving us more energy and then magnetizing to us more of our reality. So the higher you can vibrate, in a sense, the more you can vibrate and emanate your vibration, the more the universe will obey what you say. It will obey your command. But you have to have the vibration and the will in order to affect and influence your reality, which takes time. Through meditation, rituals, breath work, intention, we can grow our vibration, we can raise our vibration, we can strengthen our vibration, and with that, we can strengthen our ability to know things, to attract, to magnetize, right? Because You can attract anything: a lover, abundance, money, relationships, friendships, whatever you desire, you can manifest and bring into your life through your vibration. Because when you emanate who you are, the universe attracts to you what you already are. Things that are alike attract the same similar vibrations. And that's something that you should actually do as an intention, is say that I want to manifest someone of a like mind, of a similar vibration, and bring them into my life, whether it be a lover or a friend, right? And then on top of that, as you do that, right, you bring people into your reality that are more on your vibration. You say the same thing with business and wealth. I want to create a business, or have a job that reflects my vibration, that reflects who I am at my core and my pure potential, right? And then the universe, maybe you lose a job, right? You get shifted somewhere else. Maybe you start creating your own job. You create a course for yourself, right? On things that you know, things that you desire, and now you have a job where you are providing for yourself. You are your own master. You are your own boss, right? You've just shifted vibrationally from a reality where you didn't have your own business, where you weren't working with clients, right? You weren't following your true potential and your will, to a reality where you're now following your pure potential and your true will. And then from that, it's only going to compound. I have a video on that. Go look in the back, or go look back in my videos, compound effect in the occult. Your reality is only going to compound, and you will be living out your hero's journey. The more that you live out your hero's journey, the more that you embrace the path that's meant for you, whether it's music, the occult, magic, shamanism, writing, being an author, whatever it might be that appeals to you, that your soul calls out to you. It's by following that path that you raise your vibration, so you will magnetize abundance to you. You will magnetize and attract energy to you. We only feel depressed or in lack when we're not following our path and our purpose. So by following our path and our purpose, we stop being depressed. We stop being anxious or afraid, because we have a conduit. We have a tool to strengthen and grow ourselves, to use as a conduit for our ascension. Let's look at Jimi Hendrix in music, right? With playing guitar, right? He was a shy person, kind of awkward off stage. He had really good guitar playing and music playing, but he was very shy and awkward when he wasn't playing music. He was very humble as well. People didn't think he was humble because the way he played, or the way that they thought he acted. But it's the same. It's the same with us. So it's just like Jimi Hendrix. He followed his path. He went about learning blues, learning the foundation of guitar, of music, of his craft. And then through embracing the foundation and carrying with it, he started to evolve as a person through just playing guitar, right? It's the same with a singer. Singing takes immense breath work, training, skills, understanding of vocals, breath work, right? And in that changes you as a person. A singer is not the same as everybody else. They have more complexity with their speaking, their breath, their lyrics, their words, right? Not saying that they're, better than anybody, but it's because they went about those transmutations. They did the work. It's the same thing between everything and the all and nothingness. There's no difference between someone that's done everything and someone that's done nothing. But when it's what you created, it's what you reflected, what you brought into this reality, what you did. What was your soul's purpose? What does it call out? What does it speak for you to do? What do you feel is something that you could use, like just sorry on that. Just like the guitar, right? I have to change my hands just to be able to play this, just to be able to do a lot on it. So that shows that through playing guitar for myself as well, I'm evolving from my craft. Just like magic, right? We sat in meditation or ritual space. We didn't know how to meditate. We didn't know how to do ritual, how to work with deities, right? And then we started to do it. From doing it, we took on the vibration of Horus, of Thoth, of Lucifer, whatever being you might have worked with, right? And then from taking on that vibration, that led us into new pathways of being, new pathways of thought and becoming, and that allowed us to elevate our consciousness, right? Raise our vibration. And that's because we're exploring new endeavors, new areas of thought. So we can look at vibration, right? When you have the vibration of something, when you know something, the vibration of it, right? Just like in claircognizance, we can download gnosis of something that we don't know. It's the same with vibration. We can download or attuning yourself to whatever you desire, becoming like vibration, right? You see something and then you might have an archetype of it, like an athlete. You want to become a high-end athlete or a high-end magician. Look at an archetype of what a magician is, right? Gandalf, right? For some people, Harry Potter, right? Those are archetypes. And then from tapping into that archetype, from tapping into that being, right? That vibration of what that is, we can know and download that archetype and that essence, the vibration of what we're trying to align ourselves with. You can use an archetype and that can help you. You're more going to go to the archetype in a sense. But on top of that, what you can use instead of just an archetype is just to connect to that vibration, the source of whatever you're trying to connect to. So if it's money, right? And if you're a vampire, if you're tuned in vampirism, you're going to be a lot better at this. But if it's money, right? Then you attune yourself to the vibration and current of money, of income, and you tap into that stream and you pull from it, right? And we can use our psychic abilities for this. If you are a vampire or an energy vampire attuned to vampirism, then you can drain or take that energy. So by holding money, you can take the vibration of the money, take on the vibration, and then use the physical money, right? So money at its core does not matter. It is but a tool. And because we all believe in it, we've raised it up as a deity, so it has so much influence to the point that people will sell their soul for money because it's so hard to get, right? But it's just a tool at the end of the day. It's just energy. So if you strip away, say if you have $1,000 in your hand, right? Envision it, feel it, smell it, like fully feel the vibration of $1,000, right? Feel it with you in your being. How did you earn that money, right? Think of these things. Give yourself a vibration, and in a similar way, strip away the abundance in the money and take it, and now you are that money. You are gold. You are wealth. You are abundance. Like, right, I am wealth. I am abundant. A lot of people talk in lack when they're trying to manifest, like, I need this now. I need a house. I need a car. Right? They're in lack. But the thing is, with vibration, you can't be in lack. You have to be it. Does money miss itself? Right? No, it doesn't. So it's about attuning yourself to that vibration, that frequency, that current. What's the difference between an entrepreneur and a normal person? And as well, a normal person that maybe has 20K in their bank account and invests it correctly and creates a business, they're now an entrepreneur. How did they do that? They tapped into the vibration and they went about that reality. They created and brought it into existence. Look at my channel. A year ago, I had like maybe 10 videos. In this past year alone, I've uploaded about, I want to say 30 videos. What's the difference between me being just an occultist in my downtime, just a normal occultist doing magic, and me being an occultist, a witch, a shaman for hire, and creating videos, creating content, and as well a community of people, like-minded people, to come together and all share wisdom as I share my wisdom, and as well help us to understand and know different things, right? That's why I created my channel, to spread this wisdom, to spread this knowledge, and help you guys to understand that. That's the vibration I'm emanating. And because of that, I'm meeting like-minded people. If you are brought to my channel, that means we are on the same vibration. That means that we vibing, homie. We vibing. So yeah, so if you resonate with my content, leave a like. As well, you can subscribe if you like. And that's pretty much vibration. It's all about just tapping into the vibration. If anything, just know that. That's all you need. If you don't understand that, meditate on that. Try to understand, what does it mean to tap into vibration? And when you understand that, then you've mastered invocation. You know invocation. You can invoke anything, an archetype, a deity, a being, even a person, an essence, an energy. And that's how we can actually understand necromancy as well. It's just evoking an archetype of a being, of a person, and then having that play out, being animated, because they left that persona or aspect of themselves, like it downloaded into this reality when they died. And that's something that you can tap into and use those energies as a resource. And I'll actually be teaching that in later up and coming necromancy videos. And then as well, I'm also going to be putting together, or I've already started, but a necromancy course, so you understand how to work with the dead, how to commune with the dead, and use their abilities for yourself. This is very beneficial for magicians, artists, writers, painters, poets, businessmen, right? Because you can work with the dead in order to understand business, just like you can work with a business deity. Okay, so that was vibration. And as well, this is Occult Cat TV. I'm your host, Atanu, as well as O'Shea. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Peace. I'm out. Stay blessed. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Stay meditative. Stay educated. And have a beautiful day, family. Thank you for all that you do. Remember, leave a comment if you have any questions. Like and subscribe. Peace. I'm out.